today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Zoho Mail password if you've forgotten it or just want to update it for security reasons. Start by heading to the Zoho Mail login page at accounts.zoho.com. Once there, look for the Forgot Password link near the password field and click on it to begin the reset process. Next, enter your registered email address, mobile number or username. You may also need to complete a CAPTCHA to confirm that it's really you. Now, choose your preferred verification method. Zoho can send a reset link to your email or a verification code to your mobile phone. Follow the instructions carefully. If you chose email, check your inbox and spam folder just in case for the reset link. If you chose SMS, enter the verification code sent to your phone on the Zoho site. Once verified, you will be directed to a page to set a new password. Make sure it's strong, combining letters, numbers, and special characters, and confirm it by typing it again. Click Save, and just like that, your Zoho Mail password is reset. You can now log in with your new password and regain full access to your account. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Zoho Mail tips and tutorials.